Hello guys, if you want to make more than $2,000 every single month, okay, then watch this video till the end because I'm gonna show you the entire strategy or entire blueprint, okay, online business blueprint, which I'm gonna give it to you in this video, with which you can make more than $2,000, which is almost a full-time income for most of the people, and you can start living a life of freedom, and you don't never have to go on a 9 to 5 job again. So just watch this video till the end and don't miss even the single second of this video so that you can understand whatever I'm going to tell you and how you are going to make money with this strategy. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. Let me minimize this one and let me open this another one. Okay, so you can see over here I have opened Google Trends. Okay, and I have searched the keyword which is online business, and you can see that this has gone really up. Okay, why this has gone up? Due to one of the unfortunate event which has happened to the world. For now, I'm not gonna take the name of that event, but everyone knows that due to that unfortunate event, most of the people are locked inside their homes, and that's the reason why they are searching for this online business, because as they are at home, they are thinking that we should start an online business probably, and so that we can start making money from that business. And that's where we come, and that's where there is an opportunity where you can make a lot of money. Okay, yeah, that's something really great, because this is something which is a really big opportunity for you, so that you can piggy bank some money. Okay, so now let's go and I will show you one of the best program which you can promote in this current time. Okay, because it is a complete online business solution. Okay, and this is really a trusted program. This program is known as Kartra. Okay, Kartra is a program which helps people to create websites, to make landing pages, to do email marketing and all that interesting stuff. Okay, so all the features of Kartra is an affiliate program which covers all these features just in one single package. So everything what you need for an online business is covered in Kartra. And the best thing about Kartra is that Kartra pays you 40% commission. Okay, so you can see over here our program pays 40% of live commissions whenever a person signs up with Kartra. Okay, and they almost pay you very good commissions every single month, because this is a recurring program. Okay, so if people sign up for this program, they pay a monthly fees. Okay, and whenever they pay the monthly fee, you are gonna get a great commission, and that's something which is the best thing about this affiliate program, that you get a chance to earn 40% of commission every single month. So just think that you just make 10 sales with Kartra, and you are gonna get $400 to $500 monthly commission directly coming to your bank account every single month through PayPal. Okay, so that's something which is really great, because all you need to do is get 10 people to sign up for this program and pay recurring. Okay, while using this program, and you can start making almost $500 every single month. Okay, so 10 sales is not a big deal. I'm gonna show you the strategy with which you can easily get more than 10, 12 or even hundreds of sales. Okay, but it may take a little bit of time. It's not quick money. It will take some time. It will take 1 or 2 months for you to set up all this stuff and start making some real money. I'm not talking about anything just like press a button and start making money. Okay, this is not something like that. This is a real online business and online business strategy. Okay, and this is 100% working strategy. Most of the people are using this strategy and making a lot of money. So just understand this thing, get this thing inside your mind. Okay, so this is what you have to think in a long term basis. Okay, now the thing is that once you sign up for its affiliate program, there is no approval process. Just click on the sign up button and then you just have to give your name, email, password and all that stuff, and you can sign up for Kartra affiliate program. Now the second thing which you need to use is this software which is known as Content Samurai. Now Content Samurai is one of the best software because it can convert your articles into videos. Yeah, it can convert articles into videos, and really great videos. I'm going to show you what type of videos content you can make with Content Samurai, and it's the easiest program. All you need to do is put in the article and it will convert that article into a really great looking video. Okay, now I will show you the example what type of videos you can make with Content Samurai. And the best thing is that you get 7 days of free trial with Content Samurai. So for 7 days you can make as much content as you like from Content Samurai and make a lot of money. Okay, so now that's the best thing which can happen to you. Okay, and now from where will you get the article? Okay, so you want to create a video about Kartra reviews, and so where will you get the article? So don't worry about that. Here's the article. So you can search for this type of articles like Kartra review, and there are a lot of articles which are available on Google. For example, this one you can see, this is a Kartra detailed review. So all you need to do is go to this website and copy the article. That's simple. Okay, everyone knows how to do copy and paste, Control C, Control V, and you just can copy the articles. Okay, and then all you need to do is go to this website, put the article in this website, and if you really want to see how to use Content Samurai and make videos out of it, then I have given a link in the description. Okay, there is a YouTube video in which I have shown you the entire tutorial on how you can make videos through Content Samurai. Okay, but still there is even bigger opportunity with this, which I'm gonna reveal to you just now. So keep watching this video. Okay, so now let me show you how you can make this a very long term business. Okay, this is not something which is there in this video, but there is even a bigger thing which I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so now let's go to that big thing, and the big thing is here. So you can see there is this YouTube channel which is known as Sure Reviews. Okay, don't worry about the subscribers because this guy is making a lot of money. Okay, just understand this stuff. So you can see what this guy does is that he has created this entire YouTube channel, and on that YouTube channel he just uploads this simple videos. Okay, using Content Samurai. Let me show you one of his videos. So you can see in his videos, you can see all this stuff. Okay, so you can see in this unbiased review you will discover the truth about Kartra program. All is a really simple stuff which he has been, and you can see there is a concerned about six. So see, there is a robot voice in this okay video, and this type of videos you can create with Content Samurai. Okay, you can create this type of videos, review videos with Content Samurai. And if you don't know how to write a script or just copy and paste articles from all those websites, because you will find genuine reviews. And what this guy does is this entire single thing, that he goes to internet, finds an article about particular program's review, copies the article, puts it into Content Samurai, creates a video about it and posts it on YouTube. Now you can see that most of his videos are getting a lot of views. So here are 3,000 views. Okay, so only 10 people purchased this Kartra affiliate program from this guy's affiliate link. Then this guy would be probably making more than $500 every single month with Kartra. Okay, so you can see he is just reviewing a lot of stuff, and you can see that he has made his channel around product reviews. So you can see this channel looks professional. He has given a logo and all this stuff. Due to that, this channel really looks professional, and due to this guy is making a lot of money. Okay, and he also has his own website. Okay, this improves the authority and credibility as well as the trustability of this channel. Just don't mind my words, I may be pronouncing it wrong sometimes. Okay, so this is really how this guy is making a lot of money. He is just not even creating the reviews or buying the product himself. he is just using the websites on Google which have already made some of the reviews on this particular product, and he is just copying and pasting the articles using content samurai and making this type of really simple videos, and he is making a lot of money out of this videos. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to find something just like this. You have to give a logo, you have to write a proper name, and you have to make a pay YouTube channel just like this. Okay, don't copy it, but you have to create a YouTube channel like this. Okay, so this is really important, and then you can just create this type of simple videos. Now the thing is that this guy has stopped uploading videos. I don't know whatever the reason is, but if you keep uploading this type of videos every single day, and you just in 1 month you will get a lot of traffic on your YouTube channel, and you will start making a lot and lot of affiliate commissions every single month. This can make you a full-time income. This can replace your 9 to 5 job. So all you need to do is just take a big action on this strategy. And if you want to learn how to use content samurai, there is a video in the link is in the description. You can watch that video. In that I have shown you how you can create videos utilizing content samurai, and you can start making a lot of money with this strategy. So if you like this video, just press the like button as well as press the subscribe button and the bell notification which will appear next to it, so that you get notified every time I come up with awesome videos just like this. So, and you can also check out more on other videos on my channel, in which I have shown you various strategies which can make you a lot of money in 2020, and these strategies really do work. I am not promoting any survey websites and all that stuff, because I know that those websites pay a very little money, but all these strategies and all these methods which I show are really some strong methods which can make you sustainable income and even make you quit your 9 to 5 job. All you need to do is take massive action, and you can start making a lot of money with all these strategies. Learn one of the strategies whichever you like the most and start taking action on that strategy. That's the most important thing. So we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.